Welcome back, baking lovers! Have you ever craved a rich, decadent, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate cake, but felt completely overwhelmed by complicated recipes with endless lists of ingredients? Well, you are in the exact right place today. I am going to show you how to make the most incredible chocolate cake using just 3 simple ingredients that you probably already have sitting in your pantry. Yes, you heard me right. Exactly 3 ingredients, 0 baking experience required, and the results will absolutely blow your mind. Whether it's a last-minute dinner party, a midnight craving, or you just want to impress your friends, this foolproof recipe is going to be your new secret weapon. Let's dive right into this magical dessert. First up, we need 28 chocolate sandwich cookies, the ones with the creamy center. Next, 1 teaspoon of baking powder to give our cake that beautiful, fluffy rise. And finally, 1 cup of warm milk to bind it all together into a silky batter. Now, before we start crushing these cookies, I want to give a quick shout out to the incredible non-stick silicone baking pan I'm using today. Sparkle. If you struggle with cakes sticking to the bottom, this pan is an absolute game changer. It ensures a perfect release every single time, with 0 extra greasing required. You can grab exactly the same one I'm using by clicking the affiliate link down in the video description below. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Well, not literally. Grab your 28 cookies and toss them whole, cream and all, straight into your food processor. If you don't have a food processor, no worries at all. You can easily put them into a large Ziploc bag and crush them with a heavy rolling pin until they are a fine powder. Crunch, crunch. You want to make sure there are absolutely no large chunks left, so our cake has a wonderfully smooth and tender crumb. The cream filling from these cookies is actually doing double duty here. It provides the fat and sugar that we normally have to add separately when baking a traditional cake. Just look at that rich, dark chocolate sand. Pour it right into a large mixing bowl. Now comes the real magic. Over our crushed cookies, sprinkle exactly 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a quick stir to distribute the powder evenly. Next, pour in your warm milk. The warmth of the milk is going to slightly melt that cookie cream, helping everything blend together seamlessly. Grab your wire whisk and start mixing. At first, it might look a little lumpy and uneven, but keep at it. Within about 30 to 60 seconds, you will see it transform into this incredibly glossy, luxurious chocolate batter. Notice how thick and luscious it is? That is exactly the consistency we are looking for. It smells absolutely heavenly already, and we haven't even put it in the oven yet. Grab that awesome non-stick silicone baking pan we talked about earlier. Seriously, check the link below if you don't have one. It's a total lifesaver. Carefully pour all of that beautiful, glossy batter right into the center of the pan. Use a rubber spatula to scrape out every last drop. We do not want to waste any of this chocolatey goodness. Gently tap the pan on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Now, slide it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when you insert a wooden toothpick into the center and it comes out mostly clean. Ding! The moment of truth. Look at this gorgeous masterpiece. Once you let it cool for a few minutes, thanks to our fantastic silicone pan, it pops out flawlessly onto the plate. To finish it off, I love dusting a little powdered sugar right over the top, or you could drizzle it with hot chocolate ganache if you're feeling extra indulgent. Let's cut a slice. Just look at how incredibly moist and spongy the texture is. It is hard to believe this was made with just 3 simple ingredients in under 30 minutes. Don't forget to grab your baking pan from the link below. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this quick recipe, and subscribe for more easy treats. Happy baking, everyone!